Okay guys, shout out. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Andito na naman si Progress Dyan TV para sa isang ah, bagong vlog. Yeah. Umpisahan po natin ang vlog na ito sa pagbabasa ng mga Bible verse araw-araw. Okay guys? Samahan niyo ako guys sa pagbabasa ng isang book sa Biblia. Okay? So, kailangan po kasi natin magbasa sa Biblia ng mga books. Okay? Magbabasa po tayo. Unahin po natin muna sa Mateo. Okay? Dito tayo sa New Testament. Mateo guys, Mateo. Okay? Babasahin ko sa inyo ang Gospel according to Mateo sa chapter 1 verse 1 to unahin natin ang chapter 1 verse 2 1 to 24. Okay guys? Basahin natin ang chapter 1 verse 1 to 24. It's about the ancestor of Jesus Christ. Okay? And this is the list of the ancestor of Jesus Christ, a descendant of David, who has a descendant of Abraham. Verse 2, from Abraham to King David, the following ancestors are listed. Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Judah, and his brother, then Perez and Zerah. Their mother was Tamar, Hezron, Ram, Aminadab, Nashon, Salmon, Boaz, his mother has Rahab, Obed, his mother was Ruth, Jesse, and King David. On verse 6, from David to the time when the people of Israel were taken into exile in Babylon. The following ancestors are listed. David Solomon, his mother, was the woman who had been Uriah's wife. Rehoboam, Abijah, Asa, Jehoshaphat, Jehoram, Osha, Jodam, Ahaz, Hezekiah, Manasseh, Amon, Joshua, Jehoiachin, and his brother. Ang gaganda ng mga pangalan, no? Ang hirap bigkasin. Okay, sa verse 12 to 16, from the time after the exile of Babylon to the birth of Jesus, the following ancestors are listed. Jehoiachin, Shealtiel, Zerubbabel, Abiud, Eliakim, Azor, Sadok, Achim, Eliud, Eleazar, Matan, Jacob, and Joseph, who married Mary, the mother of Jesus, who was called the Messiah. Verse 17, so then there were 14 generations from Abraham to David, and the 14 from David to the exile in the Babylon, and the 14 from then to the birth of Messiah, the birth of Jesus Christ. It's verse 18, chapter 1, Matthew, verse 18. This was how the birth of Jesus Christ took place. His mother Mary was engaged to Joseph, but before they were married, she found out that she was going to have a baby with the Holy Spirit. Joseph was a man who always did what was right, but he did not want to disgrace Mary publicly. So he made plans to break the engagement privately. While he was thinking about this, and an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream and said, Joseph, descendant of David, do not be afraid to take Mary to be your wife, for it is by the Holy Spirit that she has conceived. She will have a son, and you will name him Jesus, because he will save his people from their sins. And verse 22. Now all this happened in order to make come true what the Lord had said through the prophet. A virgin will become pregnant and have a son, and he will be called Emmanuel, which means God is with us. And verse 24, so when Joseph woke up, he married Mary as the angel of the Lord had told him to, but he had no sexual relationship with her before she gave birth to her son, and Joseph named him Jesus. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Is Matthew chapter 1, verse 1 to 24. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.